Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Currently I'm in El Salvador and I've been absolutely loving the food. There's so much to choose from here, starting from the fresh and healthy right down to the very naughty, deep fried but incredibly tasty. At the moment I'm in Juayua, which is famous for its food festival which happens every weekend. At the moment it's not actually a weekend, but it is the culmination of a 15-day festival they have at the beginning of January. So all of the food stands are open and I'm going to try as much as I can, and then after that I'm going to take you through some of my food highlights from my time in El Salvador.
We got sapote. This is so good. We're gonna taste it in the next town, okay?
Okay.
Delicious and very cheap, so it's all good.
I don't even think I know what that is. More a fruit or vegetable?
It's a fruit, and it's very sweet and like inside is brown. It's so good. You're gonna love it. Can't wait.
Okay, cool.
Alex, right now we're going to try sapote.
Okay.
It's a very Salvadorian fruit, and I hope you like it. Okay? Get ready.
What would you compare it to?
That's hard to tell. All I can say is that it's sweet and it's really good. See how it looks.
Huh.
Can you please tell me holding this one? Grab this slide.
Okay.
Careful. There you go. Bye.
It smells savory.
Savory? Try it.
Oh, it's like a really rich flavor, isn't it? Actually,
It's unique. It's so good.
So it has quite a savory smell, but then the taste is really sweet, like it's been soaked in honey or something. Little food stalls that actually look like somebody's kitchen, and a lot of people have their families here cooking with them as well, so it's proper home cooking, just in a market. So for $3 I've got all of this, a spicy chicken, rice, salad, and then the local specialty which is called pupusa, which is like a cornmeal pancake almost filled with cheese on the inside, and they're piping hot and so tasty.
Va a comprar todo, dice.
So my first treat of the day is this here, which is called nuegado, excuse my pronunciation, and it's a bit like a savory donut, I suppose. This is a yucca one, so it's fried yucca, and then it's with honey, and it's only about 10 cents, so it's a really cheap snack. Oh, it tastes naughty. I know that's not good for me, but that's so delicious. It's quite thick on the inside. It tastes somewhere between sweet and savoury. That is so naughty but so tasty.
Oh, you need to eat it too.
So a coconut, completely gutted for the juice, and then all the flesh is only $1. That is pretty good. I think we're blocking up the road here though. lemon, and here they do a thing called a michelada, which is beer mixed with lemon and salt. And I ordered this thinking it would just be lemon and salt, but it's actually come with like a spiced salt, chili flakes, and also what tastes like Worcestershire sauce on the inside. So it's a little bit like a beer version of a Bloody Mary. Just take a bit of getting used to. So the next thing I've decided to try is called ponche, and it's essentially a hot milk drink with cinnamon on the top here, which smells really lovely, and then they've added an espresso liqueur to it, but I had a whole choice from the local rums and all sorts. Oh, that's so delicious. It's really sweet, and it's just got that little bit of a kick with the espresso in it.